Hi, it's Anne, and today's question is, how can I record YouTube videos for free? So number one is go to YouTube, hit the create button, which is the camera shaped button with a plus sign, and then just go live. And you can record straight from your laptop. Number two is download and open the YouTube app from the Play Store or the iPhone Store. Download it onto your telephone and then record from there. The third is record onto your mobile phone, then click the share button on the video and upload it to your YouTube channel. You do have to have YouTube on your telephone to do that. The fourth is to go to your channel, click the create button, which is the camera shape with the plus sign, click upload, and then upload from your laptop or telephone. Number five is record on your telephone and Bluetooth it to your laptop. And then go back to number four, as it says, click the create button, click upload, and then upload it from there. Upload it from your laptop. Number six is borrow someone else's phone if you haven't got one, or their laptop or their camera, and use that. Number seven is use the YouTube editor to edit, add transitions, and free music that's been approved by YouTube, and audio. You can also overdub your voice as well. And number eight, there are several free editing programs out there, and perhaps also on your laptop, that you can use to edit your video. You can use several free stock footage suppliers, and also music that can be either purchased with a license, or you can perhaps find some free music on YouTube again to edit over your video if you're not a musician already. So those are my tips, my 8 tips for how you can record YouTube videos for free. So good luck, let me know how you get on. Perhaps put a link to your video if you've used any of these tips and found them useful. Until then, click subscribe and see you next time. Click subscribe and see you next time.